Hi guys, this is Hari. Welcome back to my channel Box Dice. This was my second video. Thank you for all to support me for my first video and keep supporting me to deliver the best content for you. Hope you will enjoy this video. Please subscribe to my channel and turn the bell icon to get notified when I post a new video. So without delay, let's get started. So this is the Amazon package. This was the brand new OnePlus Nord CE 5G Core Edition. Its bill, it was 25,000. This is the phone package outside. This was OnePlus Nord CE 5G Blue Void 8GB RAM 128GB storage version. At front side on the bottom it has OnePlus logo and the name of the phone Nord. On the left side of the package its name OnePlus Nord CE 5G. CE means Core Edition. On the back side details about the phone. Let's see what are they. Month and year of manufacture was 7th of 2021. Its maximum retail price was 24,999. The contents was 1 unit of mobile phone, 1 power adapter, 1 Type-C cable, 1 quick start guide, 1 welcome letter, 1 safety information card, 1 sticker, 1 case, 1 SIM tray ejector, 1 red cable club membership card and 1 SAR value card. The manufacturer of this phone was Oppo Mobiles India Private Limited. Its SAR value was 1.19 watt per kg head and 1.06 watt per kg body. The SAR value should be maximum of 1.6 only. Don't purchase the phones with the SAR value greater than 1.6. This was the phone package outside. Let's open the package. So this was the phone package. Let's open the box. This was the phone. It has in-display fingerprint scanner. The phone was so light. Let's see what remaining on the package. This was tray for the phone and this was the pack with clear case for the phone and another small package. Let's see what's inside them. Here it was the OnePlus Nord card, OnePlus Nord stickers and SAR value card. This was quick start guide. It was useful to set up your phone. Let's see what's remain in the box. This is the safety information book and this was the membership card. It has QR code on the back side. Let's see what are remaining on the box. This was the power brick. It was of 30 watt. They call this as Warp Charge Plus and a red and white combination USB Type-C cable. These are the things inside the box. Let's see the cover. This was a transparent cover to the phone. It was flexible. The cover was so good. Let's see the phone. Let's open it. So this is the phone. Its color was white blue. The phone was so light. It was of 170 grams. This phone was of 7.9 mm thickness. The phone was slim. Let's see what's on the bottom of the phone. 3.5 mm jack, microphone, USB Type-C connector and speaker grill. Let's see on the other side. On the other side it has power button here, and on the top it has disturbance cancellation microphone, and on the other side our SIM card tray and volume buttons. That's it on the sides of the phone. Let's open the phone SIM card tray. It has one tray with 2 nano SIM cards with dual 4G or 5G plus 4G support. No expandable storage for this phone. Okay, let's put it back. Let's see if this has any charge. As it has, it's just starting. It was showing its OnePlus symbol. On the top of the screen, we have screen protector. It just get started. Wow, it has 44% charge. Let's set up the phone. Let's put the case to the phone. If the case was, let's put it. The case was so good. It has a matte finish at the back. Display size of this phone was 6.43 inches. It was good to hold and easy to carry. It was lightweight phone. The phone was booted up, set up the fingerprint. It has in-display fingerprint scanner. It was showing to input the edges. Okay, fingerprint added, setup completed. Wow, such a great display. The display of this phone was Fluid AMOLED and it has a refresh rate up to 90 Hz. The processor of this phone was Snapdragon 750G 5G processor. Its battery capacity was 4500 mAh and it has 30-watt charger. Company claims that phone can charge up to 70% in just 30 minutes. Let's unlock the phone. The sensor was so fast. The unlock speed of the phone was good. Let's try face unlock. Did you see that? The face unlock was super fast. The software of the phone was Oxygen OS 11, powered by Android 11. And in this phone, there are 3 variants available. Base model of 6GB and 128GB, 8GB and 128GB, and ultimate model of 12GB and 256GB. This was the 8GB and 128GB model. Let's open the camera. This is ultra wide, 2x. It has zoom up to 10x. It can shoot 1080 pixel with 30 fps. and 60 fps, and also we can shoot the videos at 4K in 30 fps only. Okay, let's go outside to test the camera.